Nothing better than relaxing in your hot tub. Now, hot tub care is easier than ever before with a system for healthier, more luxurious water. It's called Mineralux. 3 simple steps applied once per week. The system consists of the cube, oxygen, and your sanitizer of choice. Step 1. The Mineralux Cube. Infused with minerals, it's the heart of the system. This unique product combines many traditional hot tub care products into one, eliminating the need for most other products. Just add 2 cubes to your skimmer to start your hot tub, and then just 1 cube once per week. This will provide all the necessary protection against stain and scale formation, provide the clearest, most inviting water possible, and micro-massage bubble aid in water comfort and skin conditioners to make the water silky soft and luxurious. Just what you deserve. Step 2. Minerluxe Oxygen, to help keep your water clean and clear. Add it immediately after the cube for ultimate convenience, just once per week. It will remove waste, just like nature does, keeping your tub and water squeaky clean. Step 3. Test your water and adjust your bromine or chlorine levels as needed. That's it. Safe, simple, and perfect for you. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your Mineralux tub.